Apollo is back with the statement piece. At its heart sits a 6.3-liter, naturally aspirated 12-cylinder that sings to the red line. Output is rated at 800 horsepower and 765 newton meters, delivered to the rear wheels through a racing-style sequential transmission. Apollo quotes a 0 to 60 miles per hour run of 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 208 miles per hour. Numbers that land like a punch even before you see the aero.